Electric jackhammers are some of the most powerful tools used in the construction industries for demolition purposes. Being automated devices, they save time and energy when demolition complex objects significantly. There are many products available to choose the best electric jackhammer, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bosch 11335K Jackhammer. The Bosch 11335K Jackhammer is our pick for the best overall electric jackhammer. It delivers 22 foot-pounds of impact force at the rate of 1,300 beats per minute, more than enough to break small sections of concrete, temper the ground, or push in fence posts. It weighs 38 pounds and has vibration control technology to help make the machine more controllable and comfortable to use for longer. The all-metal housing is extremely durable, and it includes a pointed chisel so you can get right to work. Also included is a wheeled carrying case for the utmost in portability. The only problem we had with the Bosch 11335K while we were using it was the on-off switch. It isn't on the handle, so you need to remove one hand to shut it off. For that instant, it can be harder to control. Number 2. XtremepowerUS Electric Demolition Jackhammer. The XtremepowerUS Electric Demolition Jackhammer is our pick as the best electric jackhammer for the money. It is lightweight at just 45 pounds and is well balanced and easy to control. It features adjustable speed, and an anti-vibration system minimizes fatigue while you are using it. An adjustable 360-degree foregrip allows you to use the machine at the most effective and comfortable angle. It also comes with an impact-resistant case, gloves, protective glasses, and a protective mask to help keep you and the tool safe. The biggest downside of the XtremepowerUS Electric Demolition Jackhammer was that the handle is not very sturdy and flexes quite a bit while you are using it. We're sure this flexibility will result in a broken handle down the line. The cord is also in an awkward place, and it tends to leak a little oil. Number 3. Makita HM1810X3 Aft Breaker Hammer. The Makita HM1810X3 Aft Breaker Hammer is our premium choice electric jackhammer. It uses a 15-amp motor to deliver a little over 45 feet-pounds of force to whatever you want to break up. Anti-vibration technology uses a counterweight to reduce vibrations while you work, and an AC/DC power switch allows you to use battery power for added convenience and portability. It has a low-profile design, a 16-foot power cord, and it comes with a transport cart for added portability. The downside to the Makita HM1810X3 is that at 70 pounds, it's a little heavier than our top two models. The on-off switch on the handle is also very flimsy and can break over time. Number 4. Bosch Brute Breaker Hammer. Available in a durable design, this is highly reliable. The electric jackhammer comes with a grease package gearbox. With this, you don't have to worry about any kind of uncertainty. Furthermore, this includes a basic cart so that there can be easy portability. It also lets you have easy controls as it comes with a vibration control system. Moreover, you will also find a shock-absorbing handle that comes with better ergonomics. The product delivers superior performance and is easy to use. Additionally, this gives you the advantage of using it for multiple purposes. This is highly reliable and has a portable generator of 2500 watts. Number 5. XtremepowerUS Deluxe Electric Rotary Hammer. This electric jackhammer includes multiple features. It makes sure there will be custom operation with variable speed. Furthermore, the product has a no-load speed of 600 RPM. With it, you can have total control, and it is easy to use. Moreover, this lets you use it for a wide range of applications and have a better advantage. It also provides powerful impact energy and features a heat dissipation motor. You can use it conveniently as it has an adjustable side handle. Additionally, it helps to reduce any kind of fatigue with ergonomic construction. You can use it in different drilling modes and have better product utilization. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products.